this packet of Oreo and I'm gonna open it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the cream from the biscuits. I've separated the cream from the Oreos and now I'm gonna take a blending jar. I'm gonna put the Oreos inside it. And I'm going to blend all of this. I'm going to grind this together. As you can see here, I have a fine powder. And now I'm going to add some malai to it. So this is some malai. I'm going to add it to it. And I'm going to make it into a fine dough. If you feel the malai is too less, you can always add more. So the Oreo dough is ready. And now we're going to start working on the cream. So I have the Oreo cream here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some grated coconut to it. And I'm going to mix it well. So what coconut does is that it binds the cream together. So this is ready, and now we're going to start making the modaks. I have two modak shapers here, and I'm going to use this one for making the modaks. So for that, I'm going to take a ball of Oreo and I'm going to put it inside the mold so that it fits inside properly and it gets the shape of it. If there's excess, you can just remove it from the top. And I'm going to make a hole here so that I can put the cream inside. I'm going to take some cream and I'm going to put it inside this. And now I'm going to cover it again with a layer of Oreo. So whatever excess is there, you can just remove it from the sides and from the top. I'm now going to open it. As you can see here, we've got the perfect shape. Now I'm going to shape the other modaks as well. So this is the final shape of the modak. So my Oreo modaks are ready and they are ready to be enjoyed. So do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it. Until then, stay tuned for more videos.